Hi, I'm Kristen of White Arrows Home, and I'm coming to you today to share a cocktail, a specialty cocktail, all the way from Kentucky up to my cabin in the North Woods of Wisconsin. My friends at Girl Camper Kentucky partnered with Set the Bar down in Kentucky to make a specialty cocktail for all their girl campers, and they asked if I would love to try it out and share it with all of you, and I couldn't wait. This is delicious. Set the Bar is the cutest cocktail bar set up inside an old horse trailer that they had refurbished for that purpose. And they make specialty drinks where they go to events, and they even have specialty syrups that you can order and have sent to you at home. So my friends at Girl Camper sent up the Set the Bar red berry syrup, which is one of the main ingredients in this delicious Girl Camper cocktail. So here's how you make it. We have our rocks glass ready to go, full of ice. And now we're gonna fill a shaker full of ice. And then we'll use the juice of half a lime, which comes out to about half an ounce. And squeeze that into the shaker. I'm restoring, well, restoring is an exaggeration. I am fixing up and redecorating a vintage camper, a 1974 Yellowstone. And I first got excited about doing something like this by following Janine Pettit of Girl Camper and other people who were doing the same thing. There are groups of girl campers all across the country, and I'm excited to get to know the girls that are part of the Kentucky group as well. And they're the ones that sent this great cocktail. So then we'll take 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of the berry red syrup, 1.5 ounces of rum. They recommend a dark spiced rum, but you can also use a white rum if that's your preference. You can even use a whiskey or a bourbon or even a tequila. You can make it your own cocktail. But for the White Arrows twist on it, we're going to use the white rum. We need to add 2 drops of bitters. They use a chocolate bitter, and then shake it up until it's chilled. Look how pretty that is with that red berry syrup. I cannot wait to taste this. One of the best parts though is how you get to garnish it. So because of the pineapple juice inside, we're gonna take a pineapple frond. And because it's for girl campers everywhere, we're gonna use a toasted marshmallow. You can even light your marshmallow to have even a better effect. Or if you're serving it out by the campfire, then you can light up your marshmallow. And then enjoy. So thank you so much to Girl Camper Kentucky and to Set the Bar for sharing this fun cocktail with me. That is delicious. You can also enjoy your drink as a mocktail. Just leave out the rum or other alcohol of your choice and enjoy with everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. That was perfect.